There are many products available to choose best. Amazing new kitchen gadgets, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Chef-in Cheese Storage Container. Keep your cheese fresh. The Slice and Store Cheese Slicer and Storage Container is designed to preserve the flavor and texture of your favorite cheeses, preventing them from drying out or becoming crumbly. Effortless slicing. With its built-in slicer, this versatile tool makes slicing your cheese a breeze, ensuring uniform slices every time without the need for separate slicing equipment. Convenient storage. The Slice and Store Cheese Slicer and Storage Box features a spacious storage compartment, allowing you to store your cheese directly in the box, keeping it fresh and ready for whenever you crave a cheesy snack or meal. Versatile use. Whether you're indulging in a quick midnight snack or preparing a gourmet grilled cheese sandwich, the Cheese Slice and Store makes enjoying your favorite cheeses easy and enjoyable. Perfect for cheese lovers. Elevate your cheese experience with the Slice and Store Cheese Slicer and Storage Box, the ideal kitchen accessory for any cheese enthusiast or home cook. Number 2. Chef-in 2-in-1 Bell Pepper and Jalapeno Corer Set. 2-in-1 design. Includes a large corer for bell peppers and a nested smaller corer for jalapenos, providing versatile functionality in one compact tool. Effortless de-seeding. Sharp, serrated edges ensure quick and easy removal of seeds and membranes, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Ergonomic handle. Comfortable, non-slip grip ensures safe and easy use, even when handling tough peppers. Durable construction. Made from high-quality, food-safe materials, this corer set is built to last and withstands regular use. Easy to clean. Top rack dishwasher safe for hassle-free cleaning. Number 3. Redberry 32 pieces large plastic food storage containers. Variety with more capacity. Large-sized containers perfect for main course. 16 containers with 16 lids of variable sizes, a perfect fit for different variety of entrees and leftovers. Suitable for occasions like carrying lunch to school, office, picnic or events or daily uneaten food storage. This set includes 7 rectangular containers, 185 ounces, 151 ounces, 134 ounces, 117 ounces, 3 8 ounces, 4 round containers, 151 ounces, 127 ounces, 114 ounces, 16 ounces, and 5 small sauce boxes, 5 1.4 ounces. Space-saving stackable design. These crystal-clear plastic food containers are highly nestable for pantry organization and can fit into each other, leaving more space on your kitchen slabs and cabinets. Also perfectly stackable to fit in your refrigerator and fridge. Leak-proof and other benefits. Our airtight food savers with 4 sides snap-lock lids are microwave-friendly, without lid, freezer and dishwasher safe. Also good for carrying and storing liquids, as these are 100% leak-proof for all kind of liquids. Now store everything without the fear of leakage or spoilage. Durable and reusable. The plastic manufacturing will ensure no cracks or breaking while using. Use and reuse these food boxes with 100% satisfaction of no early wear and tear. Customer care. Kindly don't spare a moment if you have any queries regarding our food storage boxes. We care for you and will surely respond to your queries as soon as possible. Number 4. Adjustable magnetic measuring spoon sets. Set of 2 measuring cup/spoon. Our measuring spoon are made of food-grade material built for longer use. These are healthier and safer. There are 2 handy measuring gadgets in this set, big and small sized. Good for both dry and liquid ingredients. Available in both imperial and metric measurements. Features simple. Our spoon measuring set has a comfortable and ergonomic handles. Save a tremendous amount of time in measuring cooking ingredients by using just one measurement tool. Gently push the controller, slide cover to desired measurement and cover will click into place. Angled edge makes precise leveling easy. Very convenient and durable. Multi-measurement. This measuring spoon set combines TSP/TBSP, ml, ounce, cup into one and can meet all your needs in the kitchen. The large, long teaspoons has measuring units as follows: 1, 2, 3 and 4 ounces, 30 up to 130 milliliters, 2 up to 9 tablespoons, 1/8, 1/4, 1/3 and half cup. The small cup, for teaspoon measuring spoons as measuring units as follows: 0.25 to 1 ounce, 5 up to 30 milliliters, 1 up to 2 tablespoons and half up to 3 teaspoons. Space-saving kitchen/bakeware. No need to buy additional measuring spoons of different sizes to stack in your kitchen. You can combine all the teaspoons and spoons into one convenient tool. The combined function of multiple measuring cups into one kitchen gadget allows users to save space. It has a hanging hole and a magnetic bottom. Hang it on kitchen and cabinet hooks or attach it to any metal surface and make it easy to find. Great tool for baking and cooking. Number 5. Next trend garlic twister 4th generation. Multifunctional. Handheld kitchen tool that can mince all kinds of ingredients, from garlic to ginger, herbs, nuts and more. Instructions. Use the garlic twister to smash the garlic clove and loosen the skin for peeling. See video. This also softens the garlic. Place 2 to 3 cloves in the unit, and progressively twist while working your way down. Expect minced bits mixed with juices to come out. Removing ingredients. Pack into triangles, see video, by lightly twisting side to side for easy removal of garlic. Should you find it difficult to twist, pre-smash the garlic as above. This weakens the clove, making it easier to twist. Ginger and more. First slice the ginger into narrow discs before placing into the garlic twister. See stir-fry video above for demo. Try it for nuts to top your ice cream. No more messy garlic presses, squashing garlic with rockers, grating, pressing or rolling garlic to peel the skin. It gets better. As you continue to use the twister, you'll discover more ways to use it. We are available to assist with any issues. Made in USA. Patented design, BPA free, and backed by a lifetime guarantee.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.